Hello guys and welcome to Python programming tutorials by Amul's Academy. Today in this tutorial we are discussing about the list comprehensions. This is the one of the easiest and elegant way to create list in Python. So as we all know, list is nothing but it is the group of different types of elements. So this is an example for list, right? So we'll use this square bracket at the beginning and end of the list. It will tell us this is a list, and here we can see the elements. It contains integer element, floating, strings. Okay, so it can contain any type of elements. So this is an example for list, and there are different ways to create list in Python. But one of the easiest, fastest and elegant way is using list comprehension. Alright, so now we'll see the syntax of list comprehension. So here we can see this is the syntax. Here we can see this square brackets. It will tell us this will return list. So we'll get the output in the list form. And here we can see the expression followed by the for loop for item in iterable. Here this expression will give the element of the list, and this is the for loop. Okay, so we'll see one example for this. That is, if I want to print all the elements from 1 to 11, then I can use list comprehension for that. For that I need to write expression as x. For x in iterable I'll use as range and 1 to 11. Okay, so here this x is the expression and this is the for loop, and this expression will give each element. Okay, when x value is 1, it will print 1, next 2, next 3, next 4, next 5 till 10. We'll get the list like this. Okay, so this is the basic syntax of list comprehension. Next, we can use this if else conditional statement with list comprehension. So if you want to use if condition, then syntax will be this. First you need to mention the expression, next this is the for loop, next here if conditional. Okay, so next if you want to use both if else conditional statement, then the syntax will be like this: expression, here if conditional, else statement, next here for loop. Now we'll see the example. So first we'll see the example for basic syntax. So for example, I want to print x. This is my expression, x is my expression, then followed by for loop for x in range 1 to 11. And here we can see the output, right? We'll get all the elements from 1 to 10 in the list form. So this is the syntax for first basic definition. This is the expression followed by the for loop. Next syntax, that is when using if condition. So here I'll write x for x in range 1 to 11 if x modulus 2 is equal to 0. So it will print all the even numbers in this range. Okay, so here we can see this is the expression, this is the for loop, and this is if condition. Okay, so enter, and here we can see all the even elements. So next we'll see the example for if else conditional statement. So here I'll take x, this is my expression, next I'll write if x is greater than 2, else x plus 1. Next for x in range 1 to 11. Okay, so here I wrote the condition. If x is greater than 2, then write x as it is, else if x is less than 2, then add 1 to that element. Okay, so if I enter now, here we can see Here I took range from 1 to 11. So first it will check 1. 1 is greater than 2. No, it is not. So it will go to else part and it will print this. So 1 plus 1, 2. So we'll get 2 here. Next, range value is 2. So it will check 2 is greater than 2. No, it is not. Right? So else part will be executed. So 2 plus 1, 3. So that's why we got 3. Next, x value become 3. So 3 is greater than 2. Yes, it is true. So it will directly print that 3. Next 4, next 5, next 6, next 7, next 8, next 9, next 10. This is the expression. This is the if else conditional part, and this is the for loop, right? So this is about the list comprehension. So this is the fastest and easiest and elegant way to create list. And we can use this list comprehension with the if else conditional statement. Okay, so this is what we discussed in this tutorial. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll meet in next class. Till then, take care.